Hello everyone, welcome to our channel codersarcade again. I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we will be talking about one more new topic in Selenium with Java, which is handling windows in Selenium, how to handle different windows. Before starting this video, I would once again like to request all of you to please like our videos and also please share it with your friends and family. And if you really have any doubts regarding our videos and if you are not able to understand, please post your comments in the comment section. And last but not the least, I want you all to please hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications. Okay, so if I go back to my IDE, you can see in the last tutorial we learned how to change the browser size in Selenium, and here you can see we use the dimension class and also we use the point class. I showed you can change the height and width, and also you can change the position X and Y of the browser. So in this tutorial, as I said, I will be talking about how you can handle different windows in Selenium. Okay, so let me go to my project again and let me create a new class. So I'll name it as handling windows. Okay, and this should be capital. Fine. Okay, and also I will give you a link to the previous video and also to the playlist if you haven't watched it. I request all of you to please go back and watch these videos because all of them are linked. So I don't want you to not understand anything. If you are getting any trouble in understanding, you please go through the earlier videos of this playlist and then come back and watch this video again. Okay, so as I said, today we will be learning about how we can handle windows in Selenium. Okay, so first of all, let me create a static webdriver. Okay, and if you don't know why I'm creating a static webdriver, I please request you to go back to the earlier videos of this playlist and understand, so that it will become easier for you to follow this video. And now I need my main method. So inside the main method, what I will do is I will create the other properties. So let me minimize this. And you can see here in my drivers directory, I have my Chrome driver.exe. So I'll be using this right now. Let me minimize this. So the first thing that I want to do is system.set property. Here we need two arguments. So webdriver dot Chrome dot driver, because we will be using Google Chrome. Okay, and the second argument that we need here is the path to the Chrome driver. So as I showed you here, my Chrome driver.exe file is inside the drivers folder in my project. So as I have explained in the earlier videos, it is dot slash, that means the current project, and then the drivers folder slash Chrome driver.exe. Okay, this is the complete path, and we need the semicolon obviously because this is Java code. Now we have not instantiated the driver, so let us instantiate the driver to the Chrome driver. Okay, driver is equal to new Chrome driver, as you can see here, because we will be working with Chrome browser. Okay, that's why we need to instantiate our WebDriver to the Chrome driver class. Fine, so that's done. Suppose I'm opening Google. Okay, so driver.get is the command, or we can also use driver.navigate.to. So driver.get, let me pass the URL here, https colon double forward slash www.google.com. Okay, and let me put the final forward slash as well. Now this is done. Let me put some thread.slip so that you can see all the operations. Okay, 2 seconds will be enough, so it is 2000 milliseconds. And as you can see, we can either put a try catch block to handle this, or we can also add a throws declaration. As you can see here, it is coming. Fine, so till here we are done, no problem at all. Now there are many ways to handle windows in Selenium. First of all, Suppose if you want to open a new window, the command for that is say driver dot, if I say switch to, you can see here, dot, if I say window, in the bracket I can give the window type. Okay, say window type, if you see here, so window type comes from org.openqa.selenium, and we have to tell the driver what type of window are you trying to open. So suppose, as I said, if we want to open a new window, we can select window type and press dot, and we can select this field, as you can see, which is window. This will open a new window there. Okay, and here I think I've made a mistake. It should be new window. Okay, and this W should be capital. Yeah. Now you can see the error is gone, and I can put the semicolon here. So this command that you see here, driver.switch to, we are switching to a new window which will altogether open a new Chrome browser. Okay, let's see if we are able to do it or not. Okay, right now I'm not closing the browser because we want to see the actions happening. Okay, so let me right click and run this for you. It has started the Chrome driver, and you can see it's opening Google, and after that, yeah, you can see this is the new window or the new browser that has been opened. Okay, got it. First it opened a base browser where you can see it opened google.com, and finally it opened one more window which is a altogether new Chrome browser window. Okay, so this is the command. Let me manually close this for now. So I'm closing it, and there are no errors. All this is done. So let me minimize this output window, and you can see here this is to open the initial browser. After that, if you want to open a new browser, then this is the command. So let me just write a simple comment here, opening a new browser window. Okay, so this becomes more meaningful, and we can understand by this comment that this command is for opening a new window. Don't worry guys, I will give you all this commands in the description box so that you can also make use of that. Okay, so we have seen how we can open a new window. Suppose if you want to open a new tab, so there is one more command to do that. So what I can do is I can copy the same code here, Control C, I can paste it here, Control V. Before that, let me just put one more thread.sleep. Similarly, I'll copy the same command from here because I want to save some time. Okay, so here instead of saying window, if you just say tab here, then it will open a new tab. Okay, capital T and tab. You can see here, right? So this command here will not open a new window again. So what we are doing, we are opening Google here. Again, we are opening one new browser window, and then in that particular browser window, it will open a new tab. Okay, let's see how it's working. So let me just write it here, opening a new tab. Okay, so let's run this and see what we are getting. Okay, you can see Chrome driver was started. First it will open Google, yes, tab, and then you can see it's opening a new window, and in that you can see it has opened a new tab. But if you see here, something different happened. This was the new browser window, but it again switched back to the earlier tab where I had Google opened, and there it actually opened the new tab. Okay, got it. So if you want to see it again, let me just run this once again. Okay, so let's see what is actually happening. So it's opening Google, then it's opening a new browser window, and then if I show you, it's switching to the earlier window, and there it is opening a new tab. Okay, so this is what it is doing. So let me close all this manually right now. Okay, and minimize this. So this thing is opening a new tab in the base window, or you can say base browser. Okay, now we can also do one more thing. If we want to switch back to the base window, we can also do one more thing. After this command here, we can create a new variable called string base window is equal to driver dot get window handle. Okay, what this will do is it will actually store the window name of that particular base window, and we can easily switch to this base window whenever we want. Okay, so let me show you that. First, let me do one thing. Let me say thread.sleep, and 2 seconds is more than enough. Okay, so what my target is, after opening this new tab, I'm trying to switch to this page window, and let's see if we can do this or not. So right now I'm storing the window handle here, and after that I'm trying to switch to this page window. So driver dot switch to dot window. Here I can pass the string. You can see here it takes a string parameter, string name or handle. So I can say base window here. Okay, now it will automatically switch to this particular base window, which was having the Google Chrome tab open inside that. Okay, so after that, let me again put some thread.sleep. 2 seconds is more than enough. Okay, let's run this now and see what happens. So our first priority is opening Google in the base browser. Okay, you can see it's opening, and then it should open a new browser window, and then it will switch back. You can see here, and then can you see here, guys? It's switching back to that particular Google tab. Got it? This is what I targeted. So let me explain once again. What we did was, we first opened the google.com URL, then we stored that handle or that tab inside this base window variable, then we opened a new browser, then we again opened a new tab, and then finally we switched to this particular base window which was having the handle of this particular URL, google.com. Okay, and now let me show you how to actually close the browser windows. So if you see here, I have multiple windows open because I did not quit them. I manually closed them, right? So let us see how we can close them. First thing is I can say driver dot close. Okay, let's see what happens now. Let me run this. Okay, you can see it opened Chrome. It should open Google, yes. Then it is opening one different browser. Yes, it's opening a new tab, and then it is switching. Okay, then if you see here, it only closed that particular tab. Okay, it did not close all the open browsers, right? It should actually be closing all the sessions of the browsers that are open. So driver.close will only close the current window of the browser. It will not close all of them. So you should keep in mind about that. Okay, so if we use driver.quit, that actually closes all the window handles that are open. Okay, let's comment this and let's run this now and see the difference now. Okay, now you'll be able to understand this. Now see, it's opening Chrome browser. Okay, then it's going to google.com. Now it should open a different window. Yes, it should switch back to a new tab. Now it should go to Google again. Yes, then finally it should close all the browsers that are currently open. So that is the basic difference between close and quit. So if you want to remember better, you can say closes the current instance of the browser, and quit closes all the instances of the browsers. Okay, that is the basic difference. Now if you have opened lots of browsers, then we should always use the driver.get. And if you only have one instance, then you can simply go for driver.close. That is the basic difference. It is sometimes asked in the interviews, guys. Please remember that. Okay. And this is it about this part of the video. I hope you have understood this. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding this, you can please post your comments in the comment section. I'll be very glad to clarify all your doubts. And one more thing, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates. That's all. Thank you from my side. This is Saurabh signing off, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.